In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music to your Wix page with Autoplay and Loop. First, open the page where you want the music to play. Log in to your Wix account and head to your site dashboard, then click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Make sure you're on the exact page where you want the music to be heard, like your home page or a specific landing page. Background audio added this way is page-based. So choosing the right page up front keeps things clean and predictable. Next, add an audio player element. In the top left corner of the editor, click Add, then go to Media, choose Video and Music, and select Audio Player. Drag the audio player onto your page. You can drop it anywhere for now. Its location won't affect how it sounds. Don't worry about the size or look yet. You can make it subtle or even hide it later if you prefer a clean layout. Now upload and select your audio track. Click the audio player and choose Change Track. In the Media Manager, click Upload Track. Browse your computer, pick your MP3 file, ideally something soft and unobtrusive, and click Open. Wait for the upload to complete, then select your track and add it to the page. A quick tip: choose a track you have the rights to use and aim for something that enhances the experience without overpowering your content. With the player selected, enable autoplay and loop. In the track settings, turn on play on page load, sometimes labeled autoplay, and turn on loop or repeat so the music continues seamlessly. Keep in mind that some browsers may restrict autoplay with sound. If a visitor's browser blocks it, the music might start only after interaction. That's normal behavior and varies by device and browser settings. If you want the player hidden, you can keep the audio without showing controls. Click the player and use the design or settings options to reduce its size, position it outside the visible canvas, or hide it if your layout allows. The sound will still play because the element remains on the page. Just remember that hiding controls means visitors can't easily pause the audio, so consider your audience and accessibility needs. Finally, preview and publish. Click Preview to test that the music starts automatically and loops smoothly. Listen for volume balance and any gaps at the loop point. If everything sounds right, click Publish to make the background music live on your Wix website. Test on both desktop and mobile to confirm the behavior matches your expectations. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.